Hello, everybody. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. It's kind of a yucky day. It's a Monday today. You know what? So you might notice that some of the teachers are wearing their pajamas. I have mine. It says, J'adore coffee, which means I love coffee. But this is my pajama top. Well, anyway, enough about me. How are you? Good, good. Well, some of you might remember last week that we started talking about this website here, musicplayonline.com. And I thought I had there we go. You notice right up there at the top of the screen, it says musicplayonline.com. You might remember, some of you, that I talked about needing a login. You do not need a login anymore for this website, which is really great. So she has opened it up for everybody to use, which is wonderful. What I want you to do right about this time of year, actually, we would be starting a Peter and the Wolf unit, which is a story. It's a musical story by Sergei Prokofiev. He was a Russian composer. He was from Russia, which is a way, 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 way far away country. And he lived a while back. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here to musicplayonline.com. You're going to scroll down just a little bit. You'll go down here to where it says online learning. Click on that. And you'll see where it says online learning modules. Don't worry about this part. Scroll down just a little bit, or up as the case may be, whichever. You guys are first grade, so you're going to come down here to the yellow section where it says grade 1. Please notice that there are 4 separate installments of Peter and the Wolf. So this week is week 1 for Peter and the Wolf. We're going to be using this one. So don't go to 2 or 3 or 4. Come down here to Peter and the Wolf 1, where it says Story, the Bird, and the Duck. And go ahead and click on that. This is basically what you're going to see: Peter and the Wolf, the story, the bird, and the duck. So in this lesson, you will be introduced to the story of Peter and the Wolf and view all the instruments that are in the story. So this is a little guide that you can open up. If you have a printer, you are welcome to print this out. It's up to you. You will see, I'll show you this in a minute, the duck and the bird. This is part of your assignment for the week. And remember that your objectives too are that you can recall the story of Peter and the Wolf, and that you can name some of the instruments that are in the story too. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to part 1, where it says watch the story of Peter and the Wolf. And as you're watching, can you remember the names of some of the instruments? Can you retell the story in your own words? Now, I want you to go ahead and click on the play down here so that you can hear Denise Gagne as she reads the story to you. It's a very short story with words. By the way, when Sergei Prokofiev, wrote this story, he wrote it without words. Wait, what? No, really, he wrote it without words. The instruments actually tell the story. Please notice too that if you come down here, if your video doesn't work on your computer for whatever reason, you can try this. It might help, but there is an alternate video player that you can click on if it doesn't work so well up here. So up here you're going to find out about the different characters and some of the instruments of the orchestra. Down here, you're going to find out a little bit more about the bird. The bird, of course, is represented by the flute. So as you're watching and listening and learning about the bird, be thinking, is that high sounds or low sounds? Is it really fast or really slow? Or maybe even kind of medium? That, by the way, is called tempo, the speed of the music. Next, after you listen to that, there's a little play button right there. It's only a minute long, 57 seconds. Here's what you're going to do. You can either color or draw the bird and the flute. If you have a printer, I'll show you where that is, where you can download the worksheet, the bird, and print the words and color in the pictures. So if you don't have a printer, then write the word yourself. and draw a bird yourself. I know some of you are really amazing artists, so go ahead, draw the bird yourself. Either one is fine. So up here, if you have the worksheet, you can write the bird. If you go down here, circle one. Is the bird high or low? Circle one. Is the bird fast or slow? And then, of course, the bird is played by the flute. And then there's the flute. And then here, the next part is to watch and listen about the duck. Now, this is like a minute long. And again, you can probably find this in the alternate video recorder if you need to. There's also a little song that Miss Gagne created about the duck, which is really kind of fun, goes along with the main melody, the singable part of the song, the melody. The duck, he waddles everywhere he goes. He waddles everywhere so slowly. The oboe knows he only waddles slow. So again, you can either color or draw the duck and the oboe. If you have a printer, by all means, you can download and print the worksheet. It's in a PDF format. It'll be easy to print, or should be anyway. Hopefully, all these technology issues. And then print the words and then color in the picture. If you don't have it, print it out or color it yourself. Draw it. Like I said, I know a bunch of you are really good artists, so go ahead and, draw it on yourself, on your own. And then, of course, you can also draw the oboe. Now, and down here, it can also, this is for your parents. If they want to look at it, they don't have to. Down here where it says music is literacy, this is a big part for teachers and stuff, or parents, sorry, parents. At the end, though, I'm going to give you a little quiz. I haven't, it'll be up in just a few more minutes. And what instrument represents the bird? What was the name of that instrument? And what instrument, now I know this says what instrument represents the oboe. It should say what instrument represents the duck, which of course is the oboe. That was a misprint. And then maybe think about, what is your favorite part of the story, Peter and the Wolf? Now, I promised you I would show you where you can find those documents. So if you have a printer and you would like to print them out, by all means. There you go. You can click on that. It says the duck. It's very top of the page. There you go. Or, once again, back up here at the top of the page, scroll down just a little bit. It's a little hard to see, but if you hover the mouse over it, the bird, there you go. And then print these words out. If you don't have a printer, draw it yourself. No big deal. Okay? All right. Now, there was something else I wanted to tell you. Let's see. Oh yeah, so the way that you have 3 different ways that you can upload your assignment to me. And I actually just created another video for you to watch. It's in the assignments or the general area of first grade that you can go look and check out. And it's a quick little video, and it gives you 3 different options on how to send me your assignment. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me anytime. Hope y'all are staying safe and healthy. I'll see you again soon. Bye.